Hello friends, welcome to Maitreya Tech. Are you looking to buy a new earphones under 500? This budget you can have buy a good earphones from top brands. If you want a good earphones below 500, watch this video and all the links I give in the description. Before buying a headphones, you need to know about the sound quality of the headphones. There are three different categories of sound qualities: bass, vocals and highs. If these three are in balance, you will enjoy the good music. Some of the youngster can like the more bass. Here some of the top 5 earphones with good sound quality. Especially youth can like these earphones for more bass. All these earphones I used and I enjoyed lot. First, Boat Bassheads 100. Boat brand made a good earphones in this budget. Before we going to sound quality, it has a nice build quality. It comes with 1200 mm length wire and this wire also supports tangle free. This will prevent the wire from tangling, which means you can fold the wire anyway and put into your pocket. The ear cups of the headphones is also good. This earphone supports Android and iOS mobile. You can connect with 3.5 mm audio jack. In terms of sound quality, it has a good bass as well as a good vocals. These are the best headphones that have a good bass in this budget. It also has a mic for voice calls. We have a button to attend and cut the calls. As well as this button also used for next songs and previous songs and assistant button. Double click it will goes to next song and triple click it will goes to previous song. And hold the button 5 seconds, assistant will connected. It also gives 1 year company warranty. Second, Bolt Audio Bass Buds. This is the another good headphone coming on a low budget. These earphones come with punchy bass with 3D HD sound quality. Earphone comes with a real look without slipping out of the ear. It also very good sound quality and very less price. This earphones also has mic for voice calls and we have a button to attend call and cut the call. Press double tap to go to the next song and triple tap to previous song. Press and hold the button for a assistant. It also has a IPS5 rating in this budget. Third, Xiaomi Mi earphones basic with deep bass and mic. This is another great earphone from Xiaomi. It also has a deep bass and mic. The earphones come with 10 mm drivers and HD clear sound bass and with mic. This earphone supports tangle free. This will prevent the wires from tangling. These are the best earphones that have a good bass in this budget. Sound quality is also very good. It also has a mic for voice calls. It also has a button for attend call and cut the call. This button also used for various functions. Earlier we discussed in the previous ones. Fourth, JBL C50 Hi earphones. These are the low budget earphones from JBL company. JBL brings good earphones and music system. This is a good choice for those who wants to good earphones from JBL on a budget. In terms of sound quality, it is also about a balance but not a punchy bass. It also has a mic for voice calls. It also has a button for a multi-functions as we discussed in previous one. It also gives 1 year company warranty. Fifth, Boat Bassheads 152. This is another good low cost earphone from Boat company. It is also come with 1200 mm length wire and this wire also tangle free. It is a better sound quality compared to Bose Bassheads 100. It also mic for voice calls and there is a one button for multi-functions as we discussed in the previous one. So these are the best top 5 earphones under 500. All the links I gave in the description. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.